Hello guys, welcome today to my channel. My name is Daniel aka Jherrykizz, the crypto musician. So today I want to show you about Afcoin, right? So Afcoin is an investment platform. All you need to do is to stake your coin on the platform, right? So you're not doing so much, you're not mining anything, you're only staking. So you'll be given free 100 Afcoin. Afcoin is their crypto. You can see it's half balance, right? It's a cryptocurrency that you can convert to USDT by swapping, right? So when you click on swap, this is my USDT balance. If I want to put in this USDT balance, you see the total Afcoin I will get is 12.183, right? If I want to put my Afcoin for USDT, I'll be getting 0.455 USDT, and there's also a fee that I'm supposed to pay, right? So yeah, that is how it is. It is very good. Let's assume you have 100 AF, it means it's 1 USDT, right? If you have 1000 AF, is 10 USDT. So the more the AF, the more the USDT you have. Do you understand? And you can withdraw it. So once you swap it, you can withdraw this USDT to your balance. Do you understand? The minimum USDT is 4 USDT. So there's no you can see it. Okay, they've even increased it to 5 USDT. Right? So let's say you enter the amount you want to withdraw, let's say 5 USDT. Yes, 4 that will come to your account because they will take their charge. You can see it's 4 USDT. They will take a fee of $1, right? So you get 4. So you just choose the minimum you can withdraw, 5 USDT. Choose your wallet address that you want, right? And they will credit your account once you put your trading password. As simple as ABC, right? So if you want to withdraw to your bank, this is how you do it. For those of you that are in countries that actually uses this, if you want to see the conversion rate to your country. Okay, so once you register, I'm going to put the details, the registration link in the description box, and I'm going to be putting their moderators, we call them their team leads, right? The people that credit your account when you register newly. They'll give you 100 AF. You can see it. Once they give you the 100 AF, it will show your balance. You just come and click what? Stake. Now once you stake, the AF will be showing 100 AF here, right? You can also deposit money into it. So you can see that I deposited 10 USDT into this platform, right? So you can also deposit from minimum of 10 USDT and above. If you want to deposit, you come and click on deposit and then you choose USDT, right? Type in the amount, let's say 10, or let's say you want to deposit 100, right? And you click on next. Now just mind you that minimum is 10 USDT and then over 100,000 USDT. Before you get to this page, you would have asked you to put in your wallet address, right? So now, and this is the countdown for the mining. So once this countdown shows 000, you can receive your token. If you don't receive it that day, it's going to keep on piling up until when you come online to receive it, right? So if you deposit between 10 USDT, they are going to give you a bonus of let me check. They are going to give you a little bonus of Afcoin, right? And it means you are going to be withdrawing Afcoin. You can see you can add your bank account depending on the country you have. You are going to be transaction history. They are going to be giving you, like when you deposit, they are going to give you a bit of Afcoin, like a deposit bonus, right? I've forgotten where I checked it, but they will give you a deposit, because I know that when I deposited, I had to show the moderators that I have deposited and they gave bonus. You can see their WhatsApp group, people post their stuff so that you can get bonuses, especially when you have people under you. You can be collecting salaries. Okay, you can be collecting salaries. You can see half games. You can see So you can see people's balances, you know. So let me look for a new user. You can see that this person is posting along with his this person is posting along with his what they call it, ID number, right, to receive bonus. You can see this person has a total of 1,236 USDT staked, and the person has Afcoin of 565,000. You can see the person's USDT balance of 177 USDT, right? So the more USDT you deposit, the more you earn. Do you understand? So the more you deposit, the more you earn, right? And the more pull ratio you get, right? So so you can see the earning rewards. You can see the earning rewards when you deposit 10 USDT, 100, 500, 1,000, 3,000. You can see 1.2% to 1.5%, right? You can see it. So you can just go through it. You can see people posting their stuff. You can see this person has 10.874 USDT, right? And he has 101 USDT from this side. You can see it. And the person has 776 Afcoin balance. You can see the person is also posting their half details for more bonuses. Can you see it? You can see it. Person has 61 USDT, right? And the person cut some of his balance away. So you can see a lot of people here. You can see it's everybody posting their stuff. Done staking. See it. This person just staked 253 US half, right? So you can see a lot. Sometimes you see people showing their withdrawal, today's profits. You can see today's profits, 620 USDT, right? So that this person staked. So $18, the person got $18. So the more your USDT, the more your USDT, the more your wins, right? You can see this person has over 107 USDT, and you can see the person's balance, right? $44. So you can see this person's withdrawal to his bank, right? 53.64 MYR based on the person's bank. So if I type Afcoin, because I'm in two groups, you can see this one too. I posted for my downline, one of my downline, right? Okay, this is mine. So for my own bonus too. So you can see a lot of people are posting here, right? This person has not staked USDT. So it's not even compulsory to even deposit USDT. As long as you have the Afcoin, you can continue. This person is okay. I don't know their language actually, so but you can see people's accounts. You can see they're trying to provide solution for themselves. So you can see people's accounts, right? So how do you come on this side? So I'll first of all teach you how to claim all this stuff. So now once you have claimed and it is 24 hours, right, like this countdown is over, you see that a new settlement has started counting, right? So what you do is you see that you have, for example, once you have deposited USDT, you'll be gaining a particular amount of USDT every day. See, somebody just posted something now. You can see it. Somebody just posted now, right? You can see the person just got 16 USDT, and this person has 32 USDT balance. This one has 610 USDT balance. You can see that the person just got $3, right, after the countdown. So what am I going to do next? So the first thing you do is you receive from salary, dividends, and shareholders, right? Salary, especially shareholders, when you have people under you. Do you understand? And then you also receive from referral, right? Invite friends. You also receive from invited friends. So if they've staked USDT, you will receive USDT too from them. Do you understand? So I have 5 people under me. That's why you're seeing 500 this thing, but one more person is yet to get their this thing. So now if their Afcoin, so if you see USDT 0.03 have 0.0, if I click on receive, you see that it has added to my balance here, right? Then I go to dividend. You see that dividend, they also pay me USDT too. Now this does not have closing time or expiry date. Once you have staked, you have staked. It doesn't have when it will expire. That's why you need to grab it. This project has been for a long time, right? It has been for a long time. So once you have staked your coin, you have staked your coin. Do you understand? If you want to earn more, you increase your earning. Like me, I am going to increase my earning. The reason why I had to deposit little here was because number one, I want to see you have successfully received your commission, right? So you see where I'm receiving from. I'm receiving from 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So now I would have invested a lot if not that I was investing here in Newman, right? Let me show you Newman. It's just because I'm investing in Newman also. You can see my profit is $111, right? And you can see it is running. So that is why I didn't really put so much money in that place, because I'm investing here already. So but I hope to increase my investment soon. I'm going to be adding more money to what I have here. You can see these people, they are showing their balance and the amount they are getting, right? I'm going to also increase mine soon, very soon, because I need to earn a lot of USDT. Imagine that you are gaining 5 USDT every day. You can be withdrawing your 5 USDT every day as it is coming into your account. Do you understand? So where is it? So how do we register? Let me log out. I'll send the link. I'll send Newman's link also in case you're interested. You can sign in Newman, right? So let's see, you got my invite link and it takes you to registration page, right? First thing you do is to enter your email address, right? 141@gmail, right? .com, and then you say fill in the verification code. So you click on send. They will send the verification code to your email. Then you will put that verification code in this fill in the email verification side. Then the next thing is your phone number. What country are you in? I'm in +234. So I'll click on that +1 and I'll look for my country, right? Nigeria 234, and I'll click on it. So if any country you are in, then I'll now start. I will not put 08 again because my phone number is 081005. So I'll start with 81, removing the first letter, 005888932, right? Then I will put in my password. They say combination of 8 to 20 digits of English and numbers. So you can put maybe letters like capital letter first, number 1, 2, 3, right? So if you do it like this, you can repeat it here, same number 1, 2, 3, and then the invitation code. My invitation code will be in this part. So once you see it, please don't tamper with it, just leave it like that, and then you click on register. So once you are verified, right? Once you are verified, the next thing they will ask you to do is to log in, right? You just put in your password, right? Like I'm going to put my password right now. Then I'll log in, right? So once I log in, I just come over here, I click on deposit, and I deposit USDT to it. That is how to work on this platform, guys. When it's time to withdraw, you just click on withdraw straight to your balance. So you just add up you know how to add up your wallet address. When they ask you to add up wallet address, you just go over to they'll tell you to create your trade password, right? Trade password is a 6-digit number, so create wisely, number that you cannot forget. Go to your Binance or your Trust wallet, right? If you go to Binance, click on wallet, click on deposit, right? Then you search USDT, and then you click on what? Tron TRC20. Then you copy, right, and go and paste in the location where you need to paste, or you go to your Trust wallet. This is my USDT Theta. If you cannot find it, you just come up to this stuff here, type USDT, right? You see the TRC20 under it. You turn on this stuff, or you tap it and you click on receive, copy, and then you go and paste, right? That is how to actually do this app. Please, if you find this app very helpful about half game, or you know about the site, so you can leave a comment below. Kindly give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to check my description for other paying legit investments. Okay, if you need to join my updates group, I'm going to be putting the group link there, so that if there are other investments that are paying like this, you can also join in. Okay, God bless you.